So hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. As always, thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a few minutes. My name is Rich Charpentier. I'm the channel host, and normally we cover a lot of drone topics here. And one of the big focuses is on building our own small drone businesses. So today I wanted to talk to you about some of my ongoing construction progression reports for several clients. At the moment, right now, we've got 8 different progressions going on in different phases of build outs. And we have started something new. So for those of you new to the channel, we've been doing some interesting online deliverables for our clients. And those online deliverables right now are over at AZ Drone. So I'm just going to pull up AZ Drone really quick here. And this is just a sample of one of our builds that we did for a client. That build is now wrapped up. And as you can see, we did a month-to-month progression for them. Well, AZ Drone's a great place to find us, but we wanted to kind of customize things to those customers who are doing these ongoing construction progression projects. So recently, we've started building a new site called seemybuild.com. And the site is directed for builders, for brokers, and for potential homeowners, so the buyers. And the idea is that we're going to give them their own customized pages with a customized look to the overall site that takes it a step beyond what we've been doing at AZ Drone. In the end, what we're normally delivering is multiple parts, and I'm just picking one of the examples here that is not password protected. Normally we have password protected pages so that the clients can look at it themselves, share it with family and friends, share it with colleagues, whatever, but that the whole world isn't actually looking at all these. So very simple setup in WordPress just to do a simple password protection. It's not the ultimate security here, but it's to keep it a little more private for the clients. And in the end, we're going to be rebuilding some similar layouts, which we're going to be talking about in a few upcoming videos. So today is the start of these upcoming videos as I start building these things. Now, for folks who are on my Patreon channel, you've already seen some of our web page building. We've talked a good bit about web page building and how we integrate different pieces of information into those web pages. So we're using this as a demo at AZ Drone, but normally for our regular construction clients, they usually want progression videos. So they want time-lapse videos where you go out 1 month and you go out the next month and you go out the next month, and you can actually show the changes in progression on the site. So this is one of the normal deliverables that we'll provide to clients. They get their private page. They can share it internally at their office, or they can send it out to potential customers, current customers, etc., depending on who this build is being built for. So for construction companies, they might want to use some of this in their advertising or in their own internal quality assurance process to see, hey, are we hitting our marks every month? For brokers who are also dealing with spec houses and speculation builds, these can be used as great examples of the type of work that their partners are doing. And then for the buyers, if a buyer is out of state, they can actually track the progress of their construction so they know when they can move in. So there you go. All right, so progression video is one of the things that we add. We also do still images that are time-lapsed month to month as well. So these, a single photo can tell you a lot. 2 photos from the same exact place can tell you even more. So that is one of the other things that we do. And we also do progression orthomosaics, where we will fly a modeling mission to make a 2-dimensional orthomosaic, and then we can give you a comparison from month to month. So for those of you regular on the channel, this is probably a big review for you. For those of you new here, you're going to see some things over the next couple of videos that might catch your interest and might feed into your small drone business as well as something else that you can do for your clients. So as we progress in this series, we're going to be looking at the new website, See My Build. This is not done. This is nowhere close to done. There's going to be a lot more customization to this, but we just started putting it up the other month. And I've been sidelined with different jobs and also with monsoon season. So it's been tough coordinating things, and we've had to crunch some timelines down here and there when it comes to working around the weather. But so this will be much more customized and feel very different from AZ Drone when we're done. But what we're going to start talking about today is a new construction site a new build site that we just started documenting a week and a half ago or so. And I'm going to show you that video coming up next of just us laying the groundwork. We haven't set up all of our flight paths yet because the ground just recently got leveled, which you'll see in the video. The real estate agent that we're dealing with, who's part of some of these build outs, I've got a little information in there for him because this is a demo video for him to figure out what we shorten, what we cut out. So you'll see that in the video too. And with all that said, let's go ahead and stop this video for a moment. We're gonna jump into the draft video from this new build site so that you can get a look at the build site. And we'll be taking that video and making it part of the deliverables on the CMI build. And we've also collected data for the two-dimensional ortho mosaic already. We've pulled a couple of 360s in there as well. And now we're getting to the stage where we're just going to wait for when they start doing the concrete pour, and then, of course, the whole construction of the house. All right, everyone, let's jump over, check out that video for fun, and when we come back, we'll talk a little more about this. So, okay, you got to see the video, and I'm going to be building a new web page. Probably not tomorrow, it'll probably start on Thursday. So today's Tuesday while I'm recording this. Tomorrow, Wednesday, I picked up several more flights that I wasn't planning on doing, but I got a call early this morning. So that's why I'm putting this whole video together on Tuesday, because Wednesday I'm going to be out of pocket for most of the day. So anyways, you've seen the start of this project, so now what I need to do is I need to actually create a customized web page and a template for what we're going to be doing for these clients. So they're going to want that progression video, so there's part of the template. They're going to be wanting progression stills, so there's deliverable number 2. They're going to want the progression ortho mosaics, so that's the customized number 3. And we're going to be doing 360s regularly there through the build as well, to give a feel for the overall landscape and where the home fits into that landscape. So in total, for this new customized web page that we're going to be doing, we're going to have 4 deliverables for the client. And if you're interested in how we do some of that web page building, I'd say go over to az-drone.teachable.com. The link is down below in the right hand corner. You can copy that down. And You can see some of our construction progression classes there. You can also go to our Patreon channel because we have been going through some of the website building with patrons over the past couple months, and all of that is available to new patrons. So if you join up with the Patreon channel, there's a lot of videos that you haven't seen popping up here on our YouTube channel. There's a reason for that. That's over on the Patreon channel. So, okay, everybody, in the next video that's coming up, I'm actually going to start constructing one of these customized pages. We're not going through a whole page building exercise with WordPress and Xtheme. That can be found on the Patreon. And then for some more of our construction progression stuff, how we set these things up, you can check those out over in Teachable as well. But you're going to get snippets of that through the next couple of videos that we're doing as we're building the page. And in the end, the page builds are going to look very similar to what we saw over here at AZ Drone. We just didn't want AZ Drone to be the storage location for the See My Build project. We wanted to separate those out. And over time, we'll be adding to that See My Build as well. So right now, we're going to be showcasing Arizona build sites, and then we'll have those private pages for our clients. And as we expand See My Build, we'll see about actually including additional states in the Southwest, and maybe even expanding beyond that for a custom drone deliverable website. Let me tell you, for some of our clients, just Dropboxing images, Dropboxing video, not giving explanations, just dumping all the data that we collected onto the customers isn't always helpful for them, especially, let's say, the clients who are the property owners who are having this build done for them. If I send them a bunch of random videos and then maybe a little text document or a PowerPoint document, I'm still asking them to be a little more technologically savvy than they might have to be. When we do these custom pages, we're tuning it to an audience who can get it, an audience of construction professionals or real estate professionals. But these types of custom pages are also tuned in to the needs of those home buyers, so they can understand what they're looking at and they can see very quickly how their build's going on. And we're not dumping a bunch of raw data on them. We're giving them a nice, clean presentation via the internet. And I think it's one of the easiest ways to deliver a lot of stuff to our new clients and to our existing clients as well. So I hope you find this interesting as well, and that you tune into this series. And we'll be updating this again in just a couple of days as I start constructing the deliverable for this new home location that will be documented. All right, everybody, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for taking a few minutes of your day. As I've said before, if you like this, go ahead down below, like and subscribe. And if you're interested in more detailed information about this, check out that Teachable site at our AZ Drones Teachable site, and check out our Patreon channel. By the way, we usually do 3 days a month of private Zoom meetings with our patrons where they can ask anything, and we also have regular presentations set up for them as well. So if you'd like to support this channel and get some more behind the scenes information and videos and other types of information, check out the Patreon channel, and we'll look forward to you becoming a member of that channel and participating with us multiple times per month. All right, everyone, we'll see you later.